This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable phone calls on the Telegram app. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone open now and I am on the Telegram app. To enable or disable phone calls, first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to the little settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to scroll down to where it says Privacy, Privacy and Security. I'm going to tap on Privacy and Security. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways, down to the Privacy section. And in the Privacy section, right down here, Calls. As you can see, I'm currently set to Everybody Can Call Me, but I'm going to tap on Calls. At the very top, Who Can Call Me? Everybody. As you can see, there's a check next to everybody. You can choose only your contacts, my contacts, or nobody. If you didn't want anybody to make calls, anybody to call you, you would tap on nobody. Down below that, you can add exceptions for particular users by tapping on add users. But other than that, the main thing's right up top here, who can call me. That is how to enable or disable phone calls on the Telegram app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.